Search online jobs from home and you'll drown in scams. Fake listings, upfront fees, impossible pay promises, but real ones do exist. 5 of them, with real platforms and real pay. Let me show you exactly what's legit and how to spot what isn't. First one is virtual assistant work, and it's one of the most in demand right now. You handle email, scheduling, research, and admin tasks for business owners who don't have time. No degree needed. Some management or organizational experience helps, but it's not required. Real pay here is $20 to $50 an hour, sometimes up to $50 for specialized work like managing someone's whole calendar and inbox system. And here's something worth knowing. A lot of these are ongoing part-time or full-time roles, not just one-off gigs. This can be real steady work. You can find these on Belay, on Boldly. These are dedicated VA agencies. These will vet clients for you. And also, Upwork, Fiverr. It's always good to start here. Upwork has a constant stream of listings. Start cost is $0. There are these connects, but you don't have to take any kind of course first. Now, the second one, you've probably heard about this one, it's Transcription. And yes, this still works. It's turning audio and video into text. Companies like Rev, GoTranscript, TranscribeMe, Scribey, they hire remote transcribers. No degree required. You typically pass a short type-in and accuracy test to get started. Now, the honest part, because this one gets misrepresented a lot, these jobs advertise hourly sounding rates. But you're actually paid per minute of audio, not per hour worked. That distinction matters enormously. Some real numbers from Rev. The average person makes about $156 a month working around 15 jobs. Top earners, they hit closer to $900 to $1,500 a month. The gap between those two numbers is almost entirely type-in speed and accuracy. If you're fast and precise, this pays reasonably well. If you're not, the advertised $20+ an hour can quietly become $3 or $4 an hour in real terms. Just go in knowing that up front and test your own speed before committing serious time. Medical and legal transcription pays noticeably more, often $25 to $40 an hour, but usually requires accuracy certifications and handling technical terminology. Now, quick warning tied directly to that last one because it's easy to miss. Any job advertised and paid per audio minute or per task instead of clear hourly wage needs a gut check math pass before you commit real time. Just take their advertised rate, then honestly estimate how long a task actually takes you, not how long they claim it takes. And this isn't unique to transcription, data entry, microtasks, and several gig platforms. They use the same structure. The advertised number is often the best case scenario, not the typical one. Just do your own math before assuming that number is what you'll actually earn. Third one, remote customer service, but real established companies, Fortune 500 names like Progressive, Amazon, insurance companies, major retailers. They hire remote reps to handle calls, chats, and emails from home. Many provide the equipment and pay training themselves, so your upfront cost is $0. Pay starts at around $14 to $25 an hour and climbs with experience or specialized support roles. Expect 2 to 3 weeks before your first paycheck, since most roles start with paid training. Now, this one's a solid fit if you're patient with repetitive interactions and good under a bit of pressure. It's not glamorous, but it is stable, and it's about as low risk as remote work gets, since you're working directly for known companies and not some anonymous platform. Number 4, and it's my favorite one, online tutoring. If you're solid in a subject like language, math, or test prep, coding basics, platforms like Wizant and italki, they connect you directly with students. You typically set your own rates and your own schedule, and realistic pay sits around $15 to $30 an hour for general subjects, and $20 to $80 an hour for specialized or advanced subjects, like a specific programming language or exam prep. Language tutoring is particularly strong right now, since demand is constant and global. This one rewards actually being good at something specific over just being available. A tutor with a clear specialty and good reviews earns meaningfully more than someone offering generic help. Now, second warning here, and it's even more important. This one applies across literally every category on this list. Real employers and real platforms never charge you to start working. Not an application fee, not a training fee, not an equipment deposit. If a job asks you to pay anything before you've earned a cent, That's a scam. Go away. Second signal is if initial contact moves straight to WhatsApp or Telegram instead of just using emails. Be suspicious about it. It's the same with heavy, fast filling pressure, urging you to sign up right now before spots run out. Real jobs don't need to rush you. And one more quick check. Search the company name plus the word scam before you apply anywhere. It's 2 minutes, and it filters out the most obvious ones. Now the fifth one, and is the highest ceiling on this list if you're willing to build a portfolio. It is freelance writing. Real pay ranges from $35 to $150 an hour once you're established, particularly in higher value niches. But the honest catch here is that you likely won't start at that top rate. The real path is building 2 or 3 strong sample pieces in a specific niche and then pitching consistently. One real example is where a writer landed a $1,500 monthly retainer after just 2 or 3 targeted spec samples in one niche. Specific and consistent beats broad and occasional every time. Upwork and direct outreach both work here. Expect platform fees around 5 to 20% on marketplaces like Upwork, and just factor that into your pricing. And this is where the mention for this channel specifically, AI-related freelance work is growing lane inside the same category. Things like AI training and evaluation work through platforms like this one. This one is called MindRift. They pay $15 to $60 an hour, and they are a genuinely newer, less saturated option worth checking out if you're comfortable with these kind of tasks. Now, all 5 of these are real. Real platforms, real companies, real pay ranges people are actually earning right now. That's the honest truth, in a space absolutely flooded with fake versions of the same promise. But none of them are instant. Just expect a real application or test process, and expect your first weeks to pay less than your 100th hour. It'll get better once you're faster and better reviewed, and that's normal, not a red flag. Just pick the one that actually fits your skills and schedule, and not the one with the flashiest headline number. Check for the fee and pressure red flags every single time. Do that, and this is a genuinely legitimate path and not a lottery ticket. So that's the real list. Virtual assistant, transcription, customer service, tutoring, and freelance writing. It's all legitimate. It's all paying real money right now. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will not be rich tomorrow from these. And maybe the best way to do this is to just do the search yourself. Go on Google and you will land on pages like these where you can just read and see all the opportunities, and most probably something will stick to you and it'll be interesting to you, and that way you will find something that suits you. Just pick one, check the company before you apply, and send your first application this week. That's how this starts. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you on the next one.